Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about formulation of linear programming problem. Before that we are going to see what is the structure of LPP. In structure of LPP we are having decision variable, objective function, constraints. Okay, by using them we will formulate our LPP. To see that we will see one example today. So in this example we are having a company which produces two types of hats. Each hat of first type requires twice as much as labor time as second type, and the company can produce a total of 500 hats a day. Okay, so that's my first constraint. Next is the market limit. The daily sale of first and second type is 150 and 250 hats. Assuming that the profit per hat is rupees 8 for the first type and rupees 5 for the second type, we have to formulate our LPP. So in order to formulate, we have to determine the maximum profit. Okay, so first we are going to develop our decision variable, objective function and constraint. So first is decision variable. Let's take the company. Company produces X1 hats of type A and X2 hat of type B. Okay, so X1 and X2 are my decision variable. Now second thing is we have to develop our profit, objective function. And objective function is what? To maximize our profit. So profit after selling our both the hats is 8 into X1 plus 5 into X2 is the profit. Okay, it's given that if profit per hat is 8 rupees for X1 type and 5 rupees for second type. So in total our profit is 8x1 plus 5x2. Now objective function is to maximize our profit. I denote profit with X. So maximize Z is my objective. So and Z is what? So this is my objective function. Okay. Last thing remaining is the constraints. So constraint based on time constraint. In this it's given that labor time is for hat 1, if time is 2x1t, or I can say that production labor time for type 1 is x1t and it is 2 times the labor time of x2t, second type of hats. Okay, and in total company will produce 50 hats. So this is number and this is in terms of time. So I can write 2x1t plus 2x2t should be less than 500, and I can remove time because I am dealing with number of hats which should be less than 500. Okay, last constraint is that the market limit, the daily sale, means how many hats I can sell for first type. For first type it is x1 is less than or equals to 150. Maximum you can sell 150 hats of first type and maximum you can sell 250 types of second type hat. Okay, and last thing is non-negative constraint. So with the help of these three things, this is my first constraint equation, second constraint equation, and this is my third constraint equation. So based on these constraint, objective function and decision variable, we are going to formulate the problem as LPP. Okay, so how we can write it? We can write it as objective function my objective function is to maximize z equals to 8x1 plus 5x2 and subjected to constraints. What are my constraints? First constraint is based on time. Second is based on sales, which is x1 is less than 150, sale of x1 is less than 150, sale of x2 type hat is less than 250. So these are my constraint equations. Last is non-negative restrictions. Non-negative restrictions are that x1 and x2, my variable should always be non-negative. So this is how we will formulate our LPP for this example.